guys, how's it going? Ace of Trades back once again with another video. So today's video is going to be how to do like an end of week recap, end of month recap sort of thing. It works the same for both. Thought I'd try it with the face cam just to see how I get on, something different, switching it up. So yeah, just going to do it's going to be a quick video. Just a few people in the Discord have been asking how I do sort of my end of days, my end of weeks, etc. So I'm just going to show you how to run through that quickly. So you can see both of my screens here. It's on my big monitor. So sort of 2/3 of the screen is my charts and 1/3 is my Notion with my Notion template for my daily recaps and my P&L calendar. So I'll just go back to last month quickly so you can see what I did last month. So this is last month. Yeah, a couple of weeks of sort of no trades. Started the month off with a few losses, no trades for a few weeks, waiting for the good setups, and then we ended the month strong there. So yeah, I've had a few people in my Discord ask me this, so I just thought I'd run through a quick video on how I do my end of week recaps. Sort of discuss the week, make thoughts on the week and stuff. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So on Monday of this week was a US bank holiday, so I don't trade. Obviously, the US is a big market, so there's not much volatility typically. When there's bank holidays in the US and Canada. Tuesday missed 2 trades. Let's have a look what these were. I think, oh yeah, I don't know why. Sometimes it doesn't save, so I think they were. Well, no, yeah. So I've put them here. So a Euro GBP trade. So what I'll do then is I'll go to the Euro GBP and I'll have a look. What day was this on? 2 days ago. Let's have a look here. Okay. Yeah. So one of them would have been this, and there was another trade opportunity. So essentially what I'll do is I'll just go through the week and see the opportunities I missed and what my week could have looked like if I'd capitalized on those opportunities. It just helps to get your psychology better, essentially. And to help see more trade setups. So missed a 3-hour trade here for 3%. So let's go back and look at this. Well, we can see we come into this demand zone. We were setting up nice to go long. Let's have a look here. So yeah, this was the setup we can see here. So that would have been sort of 3% up this week. I've actually ended the week on a loss. So essentially what I'd do is, if I hadn't already marked up this trade, I'd make notes on it, annotate and stuff, and then put that across there. So I also have a little notebook by me as well when I do this, just to write down my thoughts on the trades, how I'm feeling after the trades, etc. And yeah, it's just really good for psychology to do this. So there was a missed trade there, and I think I missed trade on GBP CAD as well for the short. This wasn't the best trade after we took this sort of 4-hour liquidity, but I'll show you where this one was quickly. So this is essentially what I'll do. If I've got like missing days as well, if Monday wasn't a bank holiday and I hadn't marked up my trades, I'd go back through Monday, replay that day, and then do a markup as well, just so I've got a full week of markups. And I'll do this for the month as well as the week as well. So if I've got any missed days throughout the month, I'll go back at the end of the month and do them. So yeah, so we've got the short playing out. I think it was this one here, yeah. So you can see I've kept it on the chart. So essentially we get the sweep, we get the breaker structure to the downside, we get an impulsive push as well. So ends off at 75. That would have hit TP. I don't know how I missed that one, but yeah, sometimes we miss trades, busy lives and stuff. So essentially what I do at the end of every day is go through the charts, mark it up, screenshot the charts, take a photo of it, move it across here into Discord, not Discord, sorry, into Notion. Wednesday was a loss on GU. Now, I'll talk through my GU loss. It wasn't great. You can see here, but fit the plan, I guess. So it does fit the plan. If I'm honest, I didn't like the setup. It fit the plan, which is why I took it, but wasn't keen on the 4 hours. So you can see here where I took this loss. The 4 hours kind of like, choppy to the upside, a bit choppy to the downside. It's not really a great break to the downside. We haven't got much momentum in the markets. We don't take any liquidity on the 4 hour. We just take 15-minute liquidity, which is fine. It made sense, but yeah, I wasn't keen on it. So it's important to, when you're doing your markups, we need to have not just the actual trades, but our thought process behind the trades and how we feel emotionally about the trades, as well as, the actual technicals behind the trade as well. it just helps to, if you're not feeling good about a trade, not feeling confident about a trade, realistically, why would you be taking that trade? It makes no sense to take trades to where we don't feel confident in that trade. We feel like it's not a great setup. But the reason I took it was because I hold back on too many trades. Since I think April, I've only taken 30 something trades, which isn't, a huge amount compared to some of the people that I trade with who have taken like 60, 70 trades in that time. So I thought, I'll take the risk and take it, which it was a loss, but that's that. Yesterday, no trades. Um, no live trades, should I say? Sorry. And there was one, oh, oh yeah, one GBP CAD trade that this one again, um, it didn't. So this one was a bit of a weird one. So after we swept this and we started to push up, I thought, okay, we swept some major sort of 4 hour structure. Even though we haven't come back to discounted price, I'm still happy to get in. The 15-minute setup was really nice. We don't really need much more from a 15-minute setup. So here, this didn't tag me in, and this still didn't tag me in, and I still wasn't tagged in around sort of London session. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to just get it out. Instead of market executing, I thought I'm just going to get out of this trade. I didn't like the look of where it was headed. We haven't really come back to the discounted price. Um, so I thought, yeah, I'll just sort of take this trade off in case the price decides to come back to discount. You can see now it would have taken me out if I'd have left this on and just sort of moved my profit target like I sometimes do. The news would have taken me straight out today, so it's a good job that I didn't do that. Let's take a quick rundown on today. I mean, today is going to be sort of no trades due to the news. If I quickly just actually, no, I'll put that in after. So yeah, today's FOMC and I think NFP as well or something like. Why is this on there? Get off. So yeah, this is what I'll do. So at the end of each day, I'll do a markup. I'll do a week review as well, and I'll do a month review. So if this lets me click on here, okay. Oh, yeah, here we go. Okay, so no trades. FOMC. And then that's literally, there's not much to do today. It's not a great day for me to do a markup because I'm not trading today. I won't even look for any opportunities today. Let me just put in here FOMC. And then in Monday, I'll go back and I'll put US bank holiday as well. So, I mean, essentially, that's all there is to it. So, at the end of the month, when I've got all my data, let's just say I've got a few days missing, I'll come onto the charts for every pair and I'll backtest or go back to that pair. I won't backtest it, but I'll go back to that pair in hindsight and see if there's anything I missed on that day for all of my pairs here. So, it can take a while, which is why I like to keep up to date with it and just do it sort of at um, the end of each day, or at least the end of each week, so it's not too much. Because say if I've got 5 days missing, that's 5 times I've got to go through all my pairs and look at specific days. But yeah, it's really sort of not hard just to come in here and let me have a look. Just put 2 screenshots on the 4 hour and 15 minutes, the only time frames I use. Make some notes how I was feeling, and then yeah, you can see it starts to sort of look like this. I've got a couple of days missing where I just won't do trades, or if I've got no trades, some days I'll just sort of copy and paste this so I can duplicate this and just drag it across here, and that fills it up. Some weeks I don't have time to look at the charts, so I've got other stuff going on, sort of work-wise, etc. But yeah, that's pretty much it. At the end of each month, I'll collect all my data, and so on sort of this day or what, yeah, maybe sort of this weekend, something around here, I'll do sort of the month review, see how I'm feeling at the end of each month, and look back on the trades I took and the trades that I missed. So the trades I took and the trades I missed. So yeah, it's really that simple just to do the end of day markups. So you go onto your charts, literally screenshot the 4 hour, screenshot this, drop to the 15-minute, screenshot that, copy image, and then go and paste it all in here. But yeah, that's as simple as it really is to do a month review. The reasonings behind it are it's really good for psychology for a start. It helps you see where you're going wrong, helps you see where you're going right, and it builds confidence. So it's really important that you're doing this just to have a bit of discipline. Stop being lazy. It takes half an hour at the end of each day just to get it done. But yeah, I thought I'd just jump on show you how I do my end of week, end of month markups. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thank you. Take care.